Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access and a quick backup of critical files, then open Settings and go straight to Update and Security. Once there, choose Windows Update and click Advanced Options so you can change driver behavior. Make sure to turn off the toggle that allows Windows to automatically download manufacturer apps and drivers, because that setting triggers the automatic driver install. You're starting the process now to stop broad automatic installs. This prevents new drivers from arriving without your consent. Once done with settings, use Group Policy on Pro/Enterprise. Run gpedit. MSC, navigate to Windows Update Policies, and enable Do Not Include Drivers with Windows Update to block driver delivery. If you don't have gpedit, open regedit and create or set a word under the Windows Update Policy key to exclude drivers, but first export the key as a backup. Make sure to apply and close the editor. These changes tell Windows not to fetch drivers, which is the central control for preventing automatic driver replacements. Restart your computer so policy and registry edits take effect, then recheck Windows Update to confirm drivers are excluded. Next, open Device Manager to verify devices aren't auto-updating. When installing manually, pick Browse My Computer so you control the driver file. If Windows still reinstalls a driver, run Microsoft's Show or Hide Updates troubleshooter to block specific updates, or roll back and hold the device driver. If things go wrong, restore the exported registry key or use system restore to revert safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.